Don't wait. Who's gonna be first? That was good. I like that, Lawrence. Okay. Let your hands go. Come on, y'all. Say work. Keep that chin down. That's that. Bang. Good. Quick shot. Take a shot to all the punches. And you should come back to the body. This is battery number 30. Good. Come on, let's go. Work, Lawrence, let's go. Good. All right, Lawrence, good money. Come on, y'all, take your work now. That was good. Work up the jab. If you want to shoot that straight left, come back with the right hook on top of the head, Lawrence. Remember that. Straight left, right hook. Get that elbow down. Get the elbow down. You gotta stay down. Nah, 30 seconds. Let's go. Come on, y'all, say 30 seconds. You gotta relax, y'all, to get your punches off. Keep throwing out. Shoot that jab. Can't stand straight up, y'all, because you want to get to all the punches. Move that head side to side. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 9. That's it between your two.